Driving is an important part of most people's lives. Tristian here knows that it is a very important undertaking to be behind the wheel. When you first enter your car, don't forget to put your seatbelt on. Be sure that your mirrors are all in the correct position. Always check your blind spots before reversing out of your driveway. But above all else, there's one thing you should know how to use. Your f***ing turn signal. No, Tristian, that's f***ing stupid. Do you see that bar there next to your wheel? That's a turn signal. Use your left hand to push that bar up and down. Yes, those are hands. No, Tristian. Flick the bar up to signal a right turn. Flick the bar down to signal a left turn. Since you want to take a left turn, flick the bar down. Well done, Tristian. For f***'s sake, Tristian, minimize distractions when driving. That means storing your phone during the drive. You might also want to turn down your music. I know you think it makes you look cool. It doesn't. No. Stop it. Well done, Tristian. You figured out how to use your f***ing turn signal. Thank you for tuning into our little broadcast. Be sure to tune in next time, where we take a look at how to cope with the voices in your head.